Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to use Gemini AI. Using it is very simple, but before going any further, let me explain. What is Gemini? Basically, Gemini is an AI tool developed by the Google. It will work like ChatGPT whether you are a freelancer or a YouTuber, even if you are a student. Gemini will help you in this entire field. It can generate scripts, or it will help you to generate content for your YouTube videos, even to help you if you are a student and you are facing difficulties while studying. It will give you short answers of your question, now time. To see how can we use it, in the Google search bar, simply search for Gemini. Once you will search for it, on the top you can see Google Gemini. Click on it, and it's the first interface that you will see. I will recommend you to sign in your account. And in order to sign in, take a look on the right top. You can see the icon sign in, click on it, and log in with that account in which you want to use Gemini. Here is my account and I use this account. My account data is already saved, so that's why I only need to click on continue. Now you can see my account has been signed in. Now how can we use it? The first thing I will ask to Gemini, help me in my study. So that's why I will write a question based on my course. So here I ask a random question to Gemini. And here is the description, because I ask to write the answer in 2 lines, so that's why the answer is in 2 lines. Now, the next question I want to ask is about write a script. So let me write here. I asked to write a script on a food lover, and here is the script. Using Gemini is very simple. You just ask Gemini, and then Gemini will do it, and that's it.